we each get 6 turns, and it's Ved's turn first, my turn first, and Arby's turn
You
first.
can play this with your siblings at home, not outside, or else you lose the balls.
Yeah.
Okay.
Also, we're playing with the cups.
And we're in our big
Ved's turn first, my turn second, and Arby's turn last.
Okay.
So, Ved, ready?
1, 2, Adi and Arvi. This side, please. Side, please. 1. Ved, you ready?
Yes.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Start.
Oh, bam!
Let's go!
No,
I got all the balls.
Wait.
Oh!
There's a few seconds. So, my turn next.
Now Adi's turn.
Yes.
Right, Adi? Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's start. 1, 2, 3. No. You need one more ball. One more ball.
One more.
Now is Arvi's turn, right? 1, 2, 3. Oh, one more, Arvi. One more shot. 1, 2. No, one more. You miss. Miss. One more. One. Oh, one more, Arvi. One more.
Is he gonna miss?
Whoa! Good job, Arvi. High five. Yay.
Now we're gonna do it all together.
All together?
Yeah.
Same time?
Yes.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, start.
Let's go!
Who's going first?
Ved?
Not me. Yeah, it's me.
Okay, let's start.
We are playing.
Now we change the
Now
pattern of cups, right?
Yeah, we are playing. I was
1, 2,
really low.
3.
Oh, I hit
Oh!
one.
Ved didn't
Okay, now Adi's turn.
I need it. I got a little tiny
1,
bit.
2, 3. Oh, only 2 cups. Now Arvi's turn.
Remember, I thought that counts. As if that isn't true.
1, 2. Oh! Now again Ved's turn.
Okay, Ved's turn.
More
The
cups
next
there.
one out the way so they can see.
1. Oh! Now Adi's turn. 1. Oh, only 1. Now Arvi's again. Arvi's turn. 1, 2. Oh no. 1. The last ball, right? This one is last ball. 1, 2. Good job, guys. Please like and subscribe our
channel.
Thank you so much for
Watching. Get us to 10K subscribers or 100K or even a million or a billion. A billion would be a little tiny bit, but 1 trillion would be still a little tiny bit. But if we get to a trillion, no, that's good. So, bye.